We are always focused on eating foods which are healthy for the heart, blood circulation, and the rest of the body. But did we ever think of eating foods which are healthy for our kidneys? Your kidneys may be small, but they do quite a bit of work. The kidneys are responsible for removing waste and excess liquid from the body by filtering them out from your blood, as well as regulating blood pressure and producing hormones. In today's video, we will be talking about foods which aid in the optimum functioning of your kidney and help repair your kidneys. Should you be eating dark leafy greens or berries? We will be discussing all of that and much more. Your kidneys are very hard working. They pump more than 50 gallons of blood daily and regulate your body's salt content. Impressive, isn't it? Food sources that contain antioxidants can assist with killing free radicals and safeguard the body. Large numbers of the food sources that safeguard against oxidation are remembered for the kidney diet and settle on fantastic decisions for individuals on dialysis or individuals with chronic kidney disease. CKD. Eating food varieties wealthy in cell reinforcements as a component of your kidney diet and working with a kidney dietitian are significant for individuals with kidney illness since they experience more irritation and have a higher gamble for cardiovascular disease. Here are top 9 foods which help improve kidney function. Red bell peppers. 1/2 cup serving red chime pepper contains 1 mg sodium, 88 mg potassium, and 10 mg phosphorus. Eat red chime peppers crude with plunge as a tidbit or hors d'oeuvre, or blend them into fish or chicken plates of mixed greens. You can likewise broil peppers and use them as a garnish on sandwiches or lettuce plates of mixed greens. Hack them for an omelet. Add them to kebabs on the barbecue or stuff peppers with ground turkey or hamburger and heat them for a primary dish. Red chime peppers are low in potassium and high in flavor. However, that is by all accounts not the only explanation they're ideal for the kidney diet. These scrumptious vegetables are likewise a brilliant wellspring of vitamin C and A, as well as vitamin B6, folic acid, and fiber. Red ringer peppers are great for you since they contain lycopene, a cell reinforcement that helps safeguards against specific diseases. Cabbage. 1/2 cup serving green cabbage equals 6 mg sodium, 60 mg potassium, 9 mg phosphorus. Raw cabbage makes an extraordinary expansion to the dialysis diet as coleslaw, or a fixing for fish tacos. You can steam, microwave, or bubble it, add spread or cream cheddar in addition to pepper or caraway seeds, and serve it as a side dish. Cabbage rolls made with turkey are an incredible hors d'oeuvre, and on the off chance that you're feeling extravagant, you can stuff a cabbage with ground meat and prepare it for a tasty feast overflowing with supplements. A cruciferous vegetable, cabbage is press-loaded with phytochemicals, synthetic mixtures in natural products or vegetables that separate free radicals before they can cause harm. Numerous phytochemicals are additionally known to assist with shielding cells from harm that could prompt malignant growth, as well as cultivate cardiovascular health. High in vitamin K, L-ascorbic acid, and fiber, cabbage is likewise a decent wellspring of vitamin B6 and folic acid. Low in potassium and low in cost, it's a reasonable expansion to the kidney diet. Cauliflower. 1/2 cup serving bubbled cauliflower equals 9 mg sodium, 88 mg potassium, 20 mg phosphorus. Serve it raw as crudité with plunge, add it to a plate of mixed greens, or steam or bubble it and season with flavors, for example, turmeric, curry powder, pepper, and spice flavors. You can likewise make a non-dairy white sauce, pour it over the cauliflower, and prepare until delicate. You can coordinate cauliflower with pasta or even pound cauliflower as a dialysis diet trade for pureed potatoes. Another cruciferous vegetable, cauliflower is high in L-ascorbic acid and a decent wellspring of folate and fiber. It's likewise stuffed loaded with indoles, glucosinolates, and thiocyanates, intensities that assist the liver with killing poisonous substances that could harm cell films and DNA. Garlic. 1 clove garlic equals 1 mg sodium, 12 mg potassium, 4 mg phosphorus. Garlic has antimicrobial properties that assist with keeping plaque from framing on your teeth, brings down cholesterol, and diminishes aggravation. Get it new, packaged, minced, or powdered, and add it to meat, vegetable, or pasta dishes. You can likewise broil a head of garlic and spread it on bread. Garlic gives a delightful flavor, and garlic powder is an extraordinary substitute for garlic salt in the dialysis diet. Onions. 1/2 cup serving onion equals 3 milligrams sodium, 116 milligrams potassium, 3 milligrams phosphorus. Take a stab at utilizing various onions, including white, brown, red, and others. Eat onions raw on burgers, sandwiches, and in plates of mixed greens, or cook them and use as a caramelized besting. Assuming you have an air fryer, you can likewise take a stab at making natively constructed onion rings. Onion, an individual from the allium family and an essential seasoning in many cooked dishes, contains sulfur intensities which give it its impactful smell. In any case, as well as making certain individuals cry, onions are likewise wealthy in flavonoids, particularly quercetin, a strong cell reinforcement that might lessen coronary illness and safeguard against numerous diseases. Onions are low in potassium and a decent wellspring of chromium, a mineral that assists with sugar, fat, and protein digestion. Apples. 1 medium apple with skin equals 0 sodium, 158 milligrams potassium, 10 milligrams phosphorus. This kidney diet victor can be matched with the past great for you food, onions, to make an extraordinary apple-onion omelet. Apples are adaptable. You can eat them raw, make heated apples, stew apples, make them into fruit puree, or drink them as squeezed apple or apple juice. Apples might assist with lessening cholesterol, forestall clogging, safeguard against coronary illness, and diminish the gamble of disease. High in fiber and calming compounds, an apple daily may truly assist with warding the doctors off. This is uplifting news for individuals with kidney illness who as of now have their portion of specialist visits. Cranberries. 1/2 cup serving cranberry juice mixed drink equals 3 milligrams sodium, 22 milligrams potassium, and 3 milligrams phosphorus. 1/4 cup serving cranberry sauce equals 35 milligrams sodium, 17 milligrams potassium, and 6 milligrams phosphorus. 1/2 cup serving dried cranberries equals 2 milligrams sodium, 24 milligrams potassium, and 5 milligrams phosphorus. These tart, scrumptious berries might safeguard against bladder diseases by keeping microorganisms from adhering to the bladder wall. Likewise, cranberries may likewise safeguard the stomach from ulcer-causing microscopic organisms and further develop, generally speaking, solid stomach microbes, advancing GI well-being. Cranberries have likewise been displayed to help safeguard against malignant growth and coronary illness. Blueberries. 1/2 cup serving new blueberries equals 4 milligrams sodium, 65 milligrams potassium, 7 milligrams phosphorus. Blueberries are high in cell reinforcement phytonutrients called anthocyanidins, which give them their blue tone, and they are overflowing with regular mixtures that assist with diminishing aggravation. Blueberries are a decent wellspring of L-ascorbic acid, manganese, a compound that keeps your bones solid, and fiber. They may likewise assist with safeguarding the mind from a portion of the impacts of maturing. Cancer prevention agents in blueberries and different berries might assist with dialing back bone misfortune. Purchase blueberries new, frozen, or dried, and attempt them in cereal, or finish off with whipped beating in a natural product smoothie. You can likewise drink blueberry juice. Red grapes. 1/2 cup serving red grapes equals 1 milligram sodium, 88 milligrams potassium, 4 milligrams phosphorus. Red grapes contain a few flavonoids that give them their ruddy tone. Flavonoids help safeguard against coronary illness by forestalling oxidation and diminishing the development of blood clusters. Resveratrol, a flavonoid tracked down in grapes, may likewise invigorate creation of nitric oxide, which loosens up muscle cells in the veins to increment bloodstream. These flavonoids additionally give insurance against disease and assist with forestalling aggravation. Purchase grapes with red or purple skin since their anthocyanin content is higher. Freeze them to eat as a bite or to extinguish hunger for those on a liquid limitation for the dialysis diet. Add grapes to a natural product salad or chicken plate of mixed greens. Attempt a special kidney diet recipe for turkey kebabs that highlights grapes. You can likewise drink them as grape juice. That's all for this video. Please hit like, share, and do not forget to subscribe.